Welcome to Mora IFC. It is what it is. Just look how this beautiful style. Just look how amazing it's looking. You can do it. Very simple, easy to do it. Well explained. Nothing is hidden, nothing is hiding. You can do it. It's well explained. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on notification bell. There are two ways of making these styles. I'm gonna teach you the two ways of how to bring out the best. So you gotta choose one. I choose this one, so I'm gonna teach you two ways of making a style, so that you choose one. It is what it is. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on notification bell. Your comment, your subscribing, it motivates me to bring more video. I post videos every Sundays. It is what it is. Just subscribe and keep on watching. More videos will come. So let's get started. These are the two papers that I'm gonna use. You see, so you fold it like that. Then you fold it back like that. You make sure that all the edges are equal. And you fold it like this again. So let's work it out again. See, let's go. So I'm gonna open it, then I'll fold it this way, half of it. Make sure it falls on the line perfectly, on the line, exactly on the line. See, so we're gonna fold this one like this again on this line. We're gonna fold this one to fall on this line. You can see, so we have two lines there. So I'm going to fold this one to fall on that line at the tip of it. Then I fold it this way. Then I fold it back this way. I'm going to fold it close like this one. Make sure the tips, they fall exactly the same. Don't let one be longer than the other one, otherwise you're not going to get it perfect. So this is the one. As you can see, I forgot my pen, so I'm going for my pen. So here I am. Have you seen the opening side? Yeah, the opening side. You gotta look carefully. You have to cut that throughout. Then make sure that you don't leave anything. Make sure that you got it through. You cut all of it through. So I'm gonna put this somewhere. So I'm gonna take the other one and do the same thing. You fold. I'm gonna go fast and so you watch it. I'm going to teach you the difference so that you know which one you're going to pick. Trying to let you know the difference between the two. The same step though, the same step when you reach the cutting. So here, yeah, we have the same thing here. The same size, the same thing, but when you're gonna cut, that will give you a different size. So I'm gonna cut and go top like that. You can see I went top. The curve was there, so I just put it there. Then I'll calm down a little bit. Have you seen? Then I'll draw. the same size, but just that the curve, when cutting it, when it's landed, that part is supposed to go up. It depends how you're gonna cut. That will gonna give you the shape that you want. Going to depend how you're gonna cut it. That will give you the shape that you want. So I'm gonna open it for you to see the difference. This is a star. This is a star. And this also is a star. So which one that you want to prefer? This, I'll go with this. This is what I want. So I'll put this one aside, so let me work it out. So I'm going to take a facing, then I'll put it on it, then I'll trace it, then I cut it. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment, and click on notification bell. It is what it is. You can see the facing and everything match equal, the same thing. So I'll put the pattern somewhere and I'll put the facing on the fabric. The fabric is too small, that's why I'm using this fabric. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. That's what I'm using, but get some big fabric. So you're gonna cut in between, go middle, straight away to the middle, straight away to the middle, and to the middle, to the middle right corner of where the corner is, Then now we're trying to iron it. The other ones that are left was too small. So you keep folding. It is what it is. When I'm working at the tip, don't cut it, just fold it. Just fold the tip. Don't cut it. There are ways of cutting the tips. So if you cut it, maybe you're gonna cut wrongly. So you make sure you fold it and let it fall like the way I'm doing. Just fold it, then you iron it. You take your time. It's advisable you fold it, or maybe you can cut it. It depends. It has a way of cutting it. So if you don't know how to cut, you might cut it wrongly. So when you're sewing, you can see that place will be coming outside. So it's better you fold it inward and save yourself and save your breath. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and comment. Click on notification bell. It is what it is. So we're done. Let's go to the sewing machine, and let's start sewing. As you can see, I folded all the tips, so you just have to put on to your fabric. Any style, any place that you want to put it, on your top, on your back, on your hat, any place that you want to put it, you can put it on it and sew on top. Make sure you don't start from the tips, and make sure you don't start from the corner. I'm not starting from the corner. I just came in the middle, then you sew at the tip of it. Just sew at the tip, closely tip of it. take your time. If you want to pin it, pin it. Your comments, your subscribing, it's helped a lot. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like and share and comment. Tell me what you think. Moral FC is not only for me, it's for you, it's for everybody, it's for us. So if you see something, just talk about it. If you have any idea, just talk about it. If you have a coin, ask, and I'll give you an answer. So we're done. You can see where the thread ends. That means I didn't start from the corner. I start from, the middle of any of his leg. I just start from the middle. So you can see, don't start from that place. Don't start from that place. Start from that place. Then you go any place. So you can see we're done. It's Moral FC. Thank you for watching. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Thank you so much. God bless everybody. Me out.